Good morning, everyone. It is so good to see you. April is HLF month. I hope that everyone is excited to be a part of the Halton Learning Foundation month of April. We are fundraising to support our students and our families for the month of April. I am inviting all schools to get an event, support the fundraising, and make sure that you are raising as much money as you can for this wonderful charitable organization. For my part, I am going to be inviting senior team and trustees to a game of 4 squares. I hope that you can jump and hop and skip with me to raise funds for HLF. To make your donation, I invite you to go to haltonlearningfoundation.ca. This is going to be a great month raising funds. I hope the weather is going to be better than this today, but I know we're going to have a great time. Thank you for joining in this great cause. Thank you.